Okay, today we got a Honda Accord here. This is a 2016 model, 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17. Same process. I'm going to show you guys how to change the filters. So one thing is you want to get yourself good filters. Today we got a cabin filter, premium guard. That's the part number for the cabin filter that goes inside. So you want to do this stuff every 15,000 miles. So if you ask me, I would say 15,000 miles. So there's the part number for the air filter, which is right there, and there's the cabin filter. So what we're gonna do is, to start off, my friend here is gonna help me. Go ahead. We're gonna pop this open, clip here, clip there, and there's a clip back here, okay? They come right off, okay? After that, be careful with your harness here. You're gonna push this back. You're gonna have to kind of lift it up, and you're gonna get these out of there, and the whole housing gonna come off very easy. And what you wanna do is, you wanna get this filter out. If your filter looks something like that, you're burning too much gas. So we got ourselves a new filter in here. And how you gonna put this filter? You're not gonna be able to put it like this. You're gonna only be able to get this in one way, okay? And if you try it that way, it's not gonna fit either. So it only goes in one direction, okay? It's got a fit flush, okay? There you go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna close this baby back up. So go ahead. So get these two teeth in, and you're gonna have to lift the back end of it up a bit, and you're gonna get this. This is how it goes in. Go ahead, you got it. Keep going. There you go. After that, you're gonna take your clips, all three. You're gonna just rotate them up, and there's one back here. 5 minutes, you're done. We're gonna go inside with the cabin filter. What we're gonna do is, you're gonna have to go in the glove box here. So your cabin filter is in here. So you do these together, okay? You don't want to wait. You don't want to do one or the other. So a lot of the stuff from the glove box is gonna fall out. You could just remove it. What we're gonna do is, okay, we're gonna try to hold on to it. Take the filter with you. We're gonna pop this open, and once you pop this out, so all you're doing is you're pushing this down. This plunger, if you don't put that in, your glove box always gonna fall out. So make sure you put that back in. You're gonna squeeze this side. You're gonna squeeze this side. Glove box is gonna come down, and I'm gonna have my friend here hold it for me. And right in here, you have an airflow sign, so the airflow is down. So you're gonna push on these tabs. So it's a tab here and a tab there. You push on those, and there's your cabin filter. Airflow facing down. And whenever you see leaves on the top, that means the air starts from here and goes down. So that's the airflow. There you go. There's your cabin filter. So we're gonna get the new cabin filter from the package. Yeah, grab one side. Just grab it. We're gonna pull on it. There you go. So this is what the cabin filter look like. It will even give you instructions in there, but follow the airflow down, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this filter, you're gonna stick it back in. You see how it's sticking out? So it's the wrong way. You're gonna just turn it around a bit, but the airflow is still down, okay? There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. You're gonna take your cover here, lid here, and it's gonna clip right on. It should snap right in. After that, you're gonna take your glove box, you're gonna stick it in there just like that. You're gonna take your plunger here, stick that in, and it should come down smooth. There you go. Without that, it's gonna fall really hard. So thank you for watching my video. Do this every 15,000 miles, and you're good to go. Bye bye. See you guys in the next one.